key points from all your contributions. Let's move to talk markets. The market is doing pretty good today, and joining me via Zoom is an equities trader with APT Securities and Funds, Mr. Jamiu Mohammed. He joins me via Zoom to continue this discussion. Mr. Mohammed, thank you for joining the program. The market is significantly up today in green. What is responsible for this? Mr. Jamiu Mohammed, are you there?
Yes, good afternoon.
Thank you. Go ahead. The market is significantly good today. The performance, I mean.
Yeah, you've seen that in recent time, the market has been on this kind of trend, and it has continued like this for a long period of time. And this shows that the market is on the bullish run. And today alone, market gained about 3.93%. And when you look at the value traded today, the market traded at 16 billion, and the volume of stock traded today is around 1.08 billion units of shares traded today. And looking at the volume and value analysis, you see that about 7 stock constitutes about 50% of what traded in the market today. The most traded stock include NASCOM, which traded about 2.5 billion. We have Nigerian Beauty, which traded about 1.4 billion. UBA traded about 1.0464 billion. We have Zenith Bank, which traded almost 1 billion. FCMB traded 800 million. Transcorp traded 774 billion. And Access traded about 751 billion. When you look at all these 7 stocks, constitutes about 50% of what market trade today. Looking at the gainers and losers, you have about 74 gainers against 9 losers. And this gainers is being lent about 7 stock or 8 stock which gain full 10%. These are Transcorp, Sterling Bank, Baja Paints. We have Oniflower, Nigerian Breweries, NASCOM, Dangote Sugar, Universal Insurance, Flour Mills, and FTN Cocoa. Stock gain maximum of 10%. When you look at the loser chart, you found stocks like Royales, Multiverse, and LLX, which led the loser chart. So the happening in the market is somehow, I would like to advise the investor to be cautious, as we have it currently that all the stocks that are in the market today, almost all of them, they are at record high. So in this kind of situation, we advise our investors to be cautious, to be on the cautious mode, and to look out for whatever they want to do. And this kind of a scenario that we have in the market is showing one thing. And the thing is showing is that the level or the level of activities that we are having in recent times is very, very humongous. So this shows that there are inflow of funds into our market. And when you look at the analysis in the market, you realize that all the listed companies, almost all the listed companies, have given out a notification that a closed period. A closed period is a period that no insider to the company can buy the stock at that moment. So if we can be trading this level of activities, number of activities now in the market, and none of the internal is buying this stock, it shows that there is something coming out. Coming into the market. There are a lot of funds coming into the market. And if you look at the analysis of the activities of the foreign investor compared to the local investor, you see that the level of participation of foreigners is now increasing more than what we used to have before now. So, in essence, we believe that currently there is inflow of funds into the capital market. And don't forget that it's the only market that can compensate for inflation rate of return. And keeping your money in a bank, as we speak today, when some have even forecasted the inflation to be going up to 30%, it shows that anybody that is saving money in the bank is just wasting his money, is having negative return. So, and that is why people are now rushing capital market, because from year to date, just about 7 working days that market have traded. 6 working days that market has traded in this year. market has returned nothing less than 15%.
Well detailed breakdown there. But I'm seeing that this is also across sectors, not limited to any sector. I mean, this positive trend.
Yes, that is the reason why you know that the market is on a serious bullish run. And you will see the number of activities in the market is a very encouraging. This 15 billion traded alone, it was what we normally traded in the whole week before now.
Wow.
So when you have something like this at this moment, it shows that this market is seriously having inflow of fund into it. So that is why you see that the gaining cut across all the sectors. And that is why you see the asset and measure the general performance of the market is on the upward trend, and it's likely to continue at this moment. So the only thing I will just stand a note of warning to our investors to be cautious in their trading. Whenever they want to choose a stock, they always choose stocks that have fundamentals.
I must thank you so much for your time. Mr. Jamiu Mohammed is an equities trader,
Thank you.
APTs, Securities and Funds.